When it gets to brushing your teeth, HEISR took the game to a whole other level. Toothbrushes like this used to be a meme, but they actually made it work. Thanks to this genius swivel mechanism, the brush will automatically adjust to your teeth, wrap around them snugly, clean all sides simultaneously, and thus save you 2/3 of your time. If you brush for 3 minutes, this will reduce it to just 1. And what I found most appealing is actually, okay, wait, I will get to this in my conclusion at the end of this video, but a short hint, I think this will be an amazing brush for kids. Got the new drip from HEISR. They're a 3-sided wraparound electric toothbrush. Finally, new tech for your teeth. Finally! If you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. And now, let's get right to it. So here we have the box. First of all, let's get rid of the wrap. Alrighty, we have the front side right here. Nice picture on the side with the specs. Brand on the other side. Bottom and top are blank. And on the back we have the best features. So there we go. Let's open it up. Nice. So first of all, let's check out the manual. So how to use it, all the steps and the maintenance and a warranty. And on the other side, we have the safety precautions and also the modes, the heads and a detailed description. Very well. So first of all, we have this. We have the charging base for the oh, it's actually really nice. And then we also have the charging cable right here, USB to this, magnetic, really nice. We'll check it out in a second. And then we also have these 2 boxes. That's on the back. And inside here, we have two of these brushes. And the second one. So to recap, we'll get the hand unit, the base, the 2 brushes and the charging cable, of course. And of course the manual. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So the build quality is surprisingly awesome. This feels like really high quality. Nice. Looks and feels like my regular toothbrush, so awesome. And here we have the base. And on the back, oh yeah. So you can't do it the wrong way, because when you do it like this, it will get repelled. Perfect. And you can plug it in, so that's actually pretty awesome. This way, in case of an accident, this will just pop off, won't get damaged. Awesome. And it will also save the USB in case of said accident. And the brushes, they have this nice protective cover on top. And this is what they look like. Oh my goodness, this is high tech. Wow, that is crazy. So let's start with the hand unit. We have the brand, we have the on-off button, 3 modes when it gets to the intensity. And we also have a clean mode, a white mode and a massage mode. Here we have the bottom and it has these nice rose gold accents and the rest is just white, it's just blank. It has this little notch on the back to give it the right position inside the base. Yeah, and the base has this transparent plexiglass bottom right here. On the back, as we saw, the charge contacts for this magnetic USB cable. And when you insert it, that's actually the wrong way. It won't touch the bottom thanks to this notch. And this way it looks really cool. It's basically floating in here. And when you plug it in and charge it, then this light will indicate to you if it's charging or if it's already charged. And here we have the brush. This is what the connector looks like. Also the swivel mechanism again. So cool. And what's amazing is you will brush your front teeth in this mode basically. And when you swivel to the side, this will actually open up and make space for your molars because they are of course not thin but way thicker. So this mechanism is absolutely genius. And this will work in both directions, of course. So to demonstrate, front teeth, and then swivel it to the side, and it will expand to clean the molars. Oh, that's working so good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, now let's insert it. Nice. smooth mechanism. Oh my goodness. Good stuff, and now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. The model name is HS-X1. Rated voltage is 3.7 volts. And the rated power is around 2.5 watts, and it's of course made in China. And the features are of course that it will wrap around your whole teeth, removing almost 100% of the plaque buildup from all sides of course. And it does this through sonic and mechanical vibration from all sides, and the brush head is also 180 degrees rotatable, and the bristles are also angled at 30 degrees, and this way they can better clean the pockets of your gums. Again, it will wrap around your teeth nicely. Sonic and mechanical vibration, angled bristles, and the rotatable brush head with this awesome swivel mechanism. Not bad, right? And now let's get to a test. What I have here is this jaw with a set of lower and upper teeth, and this is perfect for demonstrating all the capabilities of this toothbrush. Without powering it on, this is how it will work, and when you rotate it, the swivel mechanism will activate and adjust the brushes automatically to your teeth. As you can see, when you rotate it, it will open up, make space for your big molars, and when you close it up, it will be tight enough for your front teeth. Absolutely genius. And you can go all the way down to your gums, and the angled bristles will go in there perfectly on both sides of course. And when you open it up for your molars, it will wrap around the tooth perfectly all the way down to the gums. I will go the other direction for this demonstration. Just like that, all the way down to the gums. And again, it has 3 strength settings, soft, medium and power, and it has 3 cleaning modes. So let's try clean on the medium setting. Here you can see the vibration. So let's try. And it also, as you heard, it also has this time sensing. It will notify you after 30 seconds or something like that. Just like that, up and down. And then the molars, same story. It will open up automatically, as you can see. Just like that. Same story for your upper teeth, of course. And thanks to the vibration, you won't need to move around a lot. This is probably sufficient. Yeah, and this way you can brush your whole set of teeth in around a minute. Massive time saver and super easy to use thanks to this automatic adjustment system. The brush has ultra fine bristles, 0.12 millimeters in diameter for ultra care of your tooth enamel. And goes without saying that this is a high-tech appliance. So let's actually try it for real. Let me get it wet. Just a bit of toothpaste. That should do. All right, let's see. Looks like you will need a bit of practice, but not bad for my first try. And a mirror would help too. One more time. Actually, I think you will only need 1 pass if you just go slow. So from this first test, I can definitely say that this will take a bit of time to get used to it. For the molars in my back, I was able to use my tongue a bit to keep the swiveling at the optimal position. But once you're used to it, this will become second nature, just like playing the piano, and then you will start to see the benefits. But yeah, all in all, it works and it's fun. Brings back a little challenge to brushing your teeth. And once you have mastered your new tool, then you will see all the benefits, all right? I love it. So as you saw, thanks to their patented swivel mechanism, the brush will automatically adjust to your teeth. It's super easy, super comfortable. Even a kid can do it. And that brings me to my first point, to my first thought about this tool. Yeah, so hear me out. Of course, I'm lazy and I love to save time, but there is one group of people that are way worse than me, so to say. And of course, I'm talking about kids. Mostly they're even lazier and they have literally 0 patience. And this is just perfect for kids. think about it. With this, they can't forget to brush aside, the inner side of their teeth, for example. Everything will be evenly cleaned. It's super easy and it's super fast. It's just perfect. This is an outstanding concept for a kid's toothbrush. This, of course, with the shining accents and all, it looks refined, it looks beautiful. The kids version would need a different design, of course, but yeah, it goes without saying, I guess. But yeah, it's just a thought, absolutely genius. Other than that, as I said, it's beautiful all in all, great build quality, and yeah, the concept is just genius. Absolutely genius. So this is no longer a meme. HEISR actually made it work. They made this fantasy come to life, and that's why this is a definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. If you're interested, I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.